Good morning. This is how you should eat an avocado. You just slice it in two. You take the pip out. You can go with a knife like this, or you can use a spoon. And then you take a fork, and then you put holes in it everywhere. The reason you do that is because you're gonna put olive oil in it, and like that you want it to go everywhere. Just a little bit. Okay. And then you put salt. Black pepper. Turmeric. And if you want, I think it tastes great. You can put some a lemon, just squeeze a lemon slice, and that's it. So basically you have four things. You have extra virgin olive oil, salt, black pepper, turmeric, and that's it. When you use turmeric, you should always use black pepper, because I don't know why it does this, but it makes all the beneficial attributes of turmeric come out only when you use also black pepper with it. So it's basically four ingredients and some lemon juice, which I don't happen to have at this moment. So and it tastes delicious, and this dish is so amazingly nutritious that you should eat it very often. Okay, that's it. Bye bye.